So in this video, I'll go over how to edit an individual match. Now there's two different ways to edit. One if you don't have video associated with the match, and another if you do have video attached to a match. So let's look at how you would edit a match if there's no video attached to it. So click on the scorebook library here. And you have to obviously open up whatever scorebook this event is in. So let's just say it's from this coming season, 2014-2015, and it's this event called My Tourney. Inside the event page here, you'll see a list of the matches that are in that event. So let's say this match between Jack Sprat and Mike Matheson, you need to edit. Maybe the manager's missed a takedown or something like that. So just click the edit button here, and you'll get a drop down like this that shows you the scoring symbols to be used, data on our wrestler, and data on the opponent. So let's say, for instance, that in this match with Jack Sprat and Mike Matheson, in period 2, there was a penalty point missed. Maybe your wrestler, or our wrestler, I guess, Jack Sprat, should have gotten a penalty point in here right after this reversal. Just put in a space and the symbol for a penalty point, which is up here in the purple area right here. You can see penalty. And now you'll see the score got updated automatically, and you're ready to go. Again, leave calculate team points automatically. Leave that button highlighted here, and it'll take care of that for you. And then just click Save Match. You'll get this warning message. Again, this area is for editing matches that don't have video attached to them. But since this one doesn't have video, I'll click OK. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you're going to edit a match that does have video associated with it, it's a little bit different process. What you would do is click the video choice over here in the menu, the sidebar. Again, you're going to choose the year, the A squad, B squad, C squad, the level, and then click search right here in this gray box. And let's say it's, again, maybe it's in My Tourney, and now it's maybe the match with Ed Melmack and Tom Adams here. What I'm going to do is click Load Video. And what this does is it loads the video for that match, and you can kind of see here this was a demo I did, so it wasn't actually wrestling, but same effect. Here's where I'm going to edit any data associated with that match that has video attached to it. So I can change the wrestler from Ed Melmack to somebody else using this menu. I can change the spelling of the opponent by clicking on this edit menu, and you'll see this little dialog box comes up where you can retype. Let's say it should have been Tim instead of Tom. I can change the scoring. I can add symbols, so on and so forth. So let's look at how I might change the symbol of a certain part of the match. So let's say in this match between Ed Melmack and Tim Adams, this takedown maybe isn't marked in the correct place on the video. What I can do is click the edit button right next to the takedown, and now you'll see this little box shows up that says edit scoring. Here's the symbol, T2. It could be red or green. You can change the color. But you can also change the spot where it happens in the video. And the way you do that is super simple. All you got to do is drag the playhead of the video to where you want it. So let's say it should have been in this spot right here instead. All I have to do now, once I have the video set to where I want it, is I click Save Symbol. And now this takedown will go to that spot when I click on it instead of where it used to be. And then don't forget, down here in the lower left, just like any other document you work on the computer, you got to save your changes. So click Save Changes, and that video now has been altered. So if you go back and load the video for Ed and Tim, if you click this takedown now, it actually goes to that spot instead. So it's a very, very simple process for editing video. You can edit all the scoring symbols. You can edit the wrestlers. You can edit the weight class up here. But again, make sure you save changes for anything that you do. Okay, so that's the process you would go through to edit the match. And again, remember there's two different ways. One for editing matches that have video and another for editing matches that don't have video. Thank you.